How to fix lag in Blox Fruits Mobile. So in order to do this, you need to lower your graphics settings, which will immediately reduce the processing strain from complex fruit abilities and detailed islands. So in order to do this, follow these specific steps to optimize your game for the best performance. So first of all, tap on the Roblox icon right over there and you need to go to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply scroll down until you find any graphics option. So here you'll find graphics mode. Simply make sure that it is set to manual, not on automatic. Now to set it, simply tap on the manual or simply tap on the arrow right over there. Now on manual, if your setting is on too high, simply reduce it. Now set the graphics quality to the minimum. You can increase this level by simply tapping on icon or plus, and decrease by simply tapping on minus or simply setting to the lowest. Just below it you'll find reduce motion, which will stop or reduce motion effects, and you can make sure that it is also turned on by simply tapping on over here. If it is off, simply tap on again and it will be turned on. Also just below you'll find background transparency. Make sure that it is maxed out. It will help you free up rendering memory, so you can just make transparent by either going down or going to opaque. As you can see, when you go to the lowest, the results are shown. The screen becomes completely transparent. You can also make changes to your in-game settings while playing the Blox Fruit. That is by enabling fast mode. Open your Blox Fruits menu and go to settings. So simply tap on fast mode. Now choose how you want to play. Now you can begin to play very smoothly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.